Welcome back. This is Julian Valderrama. I'm the author of Blueprint for Immortality, the Quantum Code for Life Secrets to Success. Now we're exploring Chapter 2, and we are talking about the subheading, Scientific Concept Number 1. Everything in the universe is energy, frequency, and vibration. So in school, it has been ingrained in us that everything in the universe is made out of atoms. We learn in school and through empirical evidence that everything in the universe is made up of molecules, which are made of atoms, electrons circulating around a nucleus, a collection of protons and neutrons, and that those individual particles, electrons, protons, and neutrons, are made of other smaller particles of energy. As they continue to observe, it is seen that particles become infinitely smaller. This is the process called quantization, thus the term quantum physics. It is the study of very basic components of what is known as matter. But thus far, it has been agreed by the scientific community that the universe is made out of nothing but energy. It is unanimous. We must also consider the facts about our visible spectrum of light. It is teaching us that our visible universe is tiny in comparison to the entire electromagnetic spectrum of energy. To illustrate, the tallest building in the world is the Burj Khalifa, standing at 160 stories tall, or 2,716 feet tall. If we were to extend that building to 100 times its height to represent the entire spectrum of energy, then our present observable reality as it stands, would only allow us to live and move around on the first 6 floors. This is also considering that each floor is about 10 feet high. It is staggering to know and to realize how much energy we cannot possibly interpret with our basic senses. We need to create tools and gadgets to be able to measure the rest of the spectrum that is invisible to us. We must also strongly consider that there's even more that we can't possibly know yet. Studies about the universe are finding that the entire light spectrum only makes up less than 5% of the entire universe. Dark energy and dark matter make up more than 95% of the universe. And we almost know nothing about these concepts. To illustrate, imagine stretching a tape measure from Orlando, Florida, to New York City. The tape would stretch about 1,115 miles. Our entire existence would be limited to only about a 6 feet span. Within those 72 inches lie our entire visible spectrum of light, including the billions of galaxies, the trillions of stars in each galaxy, and somewhere in there we exist in our tiny planet Earth. These facts aptly emphasize that there's just way too much that we don't know, and that as we continue to expand our knowledge of the workings of the universe, we realize we are only seeing a fraction of the tip of a cosmic iceberg. The ocean of energy that these facts stipulate leave no room for dogmatic attitudes and thoughts. Nobody has a monopoly on knowledge and understanding. And when we individually and collectively accept the fact that we cannot know everything in this instant, then we must become better for it. For we will always be teachable. Okay, this is the end of this riff. I highly suggest, if you have not already done so, to support this channel by buying this book that is being read to you. Blueprint for Immortality, the Quantum Code for Life's Secrets to Success. Also, go ahead and put a like on this video if you feel it is valuable. Also, share this with loved ones, friends, and this will help raise awareness of this kind of life-changing knowledge. So consider that, because what you do for others, you do for yourself. What you fail to do for others, you also fail to do for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. And also go ahead and put a comment below if you feel you have any questions, comments, or observations. I certainly love to read that from you. Let me know, what did you like best and what you got out of it, of what you heard today. And don't forget, life is a game, and this is the quantum code for life's principles for success.